All right, there she is, the final look of how she is gonna be. So I'm about to get ready to tear the motorcycle apart. And well, I have a little color revealed. And if you've probably been following me on Instagram or TikTok, you've probably already seen it, but that is the color we are going with. I know this does not do it justice. Let me take this off. Yeah, the lighting in here is not the best, but you can see how much the color is shifting. So we're going with that color. So I wanted to hurry up and paint this to see how it was gonna turn out, and it looks amazing. Just like that. So I'm just happy with it. I love the tail lights. Check out the tail lights. That is cool. So I designed these tail lights to go on here, and now I just gotta make a cover for it so it doesn't show the LEDs. But other than that, man, this is amazing. Let's go ahead and get with the process of tearing this bike down. This is the last time you're gonna see it like this. Isn't she beautiful? I need to shine her up, make her look good, but everything is looking amazing. Except that front wheel cover, I gotta change that one. But other than that, this thing's looking insane. Totally insane. So as you can see, the bike was designed for every one of these pieces to come off like it would factory. So I was being mindful of that when I was building this thing. So that is it. They all come apart. Even this part right here. I know a lot of you probably was wondering how you're gonna take the tank off. Well, I'm building a connection right here where you can connect both ends. So when I put this in here, I left a longer length cable so to come down to the bottom. Then it can be easily plugged in. So that is that portion of what I'm gonna do here. So now I'm about to get ready to clean the motorcycle. I normally do this in the beginning before any of this stuff went on, but however, I didn't have time and I just kind of jumped on it. So now I'm going backwards. I'm cleaning it like it's supposed to, really, really good. And then so when I get ready to finish all of these nice looking parts over here, I'll be able to place it on as I go on a clean frame and clean engine. All right, first I want to take this air box off. Should have been good. So yeah, I use old crescent wrench. Yo, look at this. This thing is filthy. Okay, got everything finally clean. I did a lot of work off camera getting this thing clean. Kind of sprayed the back of this subframe. And sprayed a little bit of black in here to make everything look super clean. Under the suspicion I might have a valve cover gasket leak. Just by the offset of all the oil and everything that was right here, there was a recall on this. But however, I'm gonna go ahead and put everything back together, and then I'm gonna investigate that at a later time. This is it. This is how clean she is. I can't believe I let the garage get so dirty. I got to clean everything up. But I want to get this thing put back together. You get all my new wires ran. That's what I'm about to do now, is run my new wiring harness and get everything plugged back in the way it was. And then we're gonna go from there. Okay, wiring is all in and it's complete. She all fired up. Everything is good to go. Y'all want to hear it? Everything looks good. Nope, they got the battery off. My battery is dead. I need to charge it. Let's do that right now. I was gonna let y'all get a little sound, we'll hear it, but I totally forgot. Gotta put the battery on the tender. All right, so anyway, we better get ready to take this bike apart. We got to get it down to the frame because I got to show you something that is very, very awesome that we're going to do to the frame and the swing arm on this bike. So let's get everything taken apart and let's start working on that. Let me show you this. I wasn't going to show you this, but I just went ahead. I did this off camera because I wanted to see how well it was going to do. So this is real carbon fiber. I'm gonna do a whole tutorial of how I did it on the next one. I didn't do the other side, I just did this one, but I'm just so amazed at how this carbon fiber laid down. Look how nice that looks. So I got one coat of resin and I got one layer of carbon fiber. So once this dries completely, I'll be able to lightly sand it and then go over it with another layer of carbon fiber. But I got a special treat for this side fairing.